Okay, you trying to look good too, huh? On a budget, yes. I'm fucking with you. Fucking with you. Go ahead, girl. Continue watching this video. Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, now you know. It's just finally back again with another motherfucking video. Period. Okay. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. Go ahead, girl, hit the thumbs up. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, girl, because I'm already knowing you gonna love my content. If you're wondering how I got this beautiful look, go ahead, girl, continue watching this video.
I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. Ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, just on conduct, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. All summer, all summer, $4-5 in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the store and now it's like we planned it. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. Born in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got standards, excuse my manners, I got standards, I got status, you want status, see more comments, and I see commas, they going down me, we going down to, let me be honest, I'm one with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I'm one with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is down to, God's time can't fit on the wrist, Junior wanna have me on my, move out of the way of my release, trying to get me off my cues and peace, why can't losers never lose in peace, ain't nobody around me losing sleep, better find God before he find me, tell the devil good night, go to sleep. Hey, word on the street, I'm a suspect. slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. Put nigga out like an outbreak. Chopper start busting, make the house shake. Nigga sweeter than a pound cake. Eyes on your chin, better watch what your mouth say. Eat with the footballs, got a nigga tripping. Fuck it, nigga keep sipping. AK with the beam on it. Clip sold on like a lean on it. My nigga like behind ball. Move 100 pounds for a lawyer, beat the charge. Tack down, and they watch a fuck. If a nigga try to rob, fucking hit him with them. Word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects.
So I ended up taking a little section from the back of the ponytail and wrapping that part around, just so I can secure like the tracks, the ones that, yeah, the tracks that are right there in the front. And then after I did that, I ended up taking a bigger section out, combing that out, straightening it. I did two sections like that. I combed it out, I straightened it, and then I wrapped it around the ponytail and sealed it with the Got To Be Glued spray. So yeah, but when I was wrapping this around in the video, I had to unwrap it because it just looked, I didn't like the way it looked, so I unwrapped it and I wrapped both of them together, and it made it look more seamlessly. So that was a tip that I had to use.
Jealousy, that's a bitch, nigga Drake. These niggas snakes wanna know what you made. Run me at home. You want to not be on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior want to not be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior want to not be on my. Junior want to not be on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior want to not be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell them, this on
Okay, girlies, so I'm not gonna lie, the styling part was a little bit hard for me because I was cutting the hair. I was cutting the hair in a downward way, but I was cutting it like in a way where it's not a blunt cut, because I didn't want like the blunt cut type of look. I still wanted to look all like a messy type of, you know. So yeah, but the tips that I would definitely use for this when cutting, I would definitely cut like going down, but like that. I can't really explain it, but I can like show you pretty much. That's what I did. Also, I will recommending brushing the ponytail all together at one in the end of it, because that's what I did to get it like untangled, to get it more like a fluff out type of look, because it looked kind of weird. Just, it looked like it was a mop on my head, I'm not gonna lie, and I didn't like it, so I kind of like had to cut it into my liking. So that's pretty much what I did.
Junior want to not be on my 4 5 sums, 4 5 sums, 4 5 sums, 4 5 sums. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. Born in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got standards, excuse my manners, I got standards, I got status, you want status, see more comments, and I see commas, they going down me, we going down to, let me be honest, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is thunder, God's time can't fit on the wrist, Junior wanna have me on my move out of the way of my release, trying to get me off my cues and peace. Why can't losers never lose in peace? Ain't nobody around me losing sleep. Better find God.
Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, dos, traits, and I'm finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade.